Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make a gradient color design just like this from scratch using Canva. We will use different colors, shapes and special effects to make this design. In this video we are going to make a gradient color design from scratch. But if you for some reason want to use the Canva finished templates, just search for gradient and you will find endless of possibilities for gradient color design. Let's just start by searching for shapes. And then go down to shapes. And then we are going to use this rectangle. The first thing you want to do is to adjust it to 45 degrees and then put it down to the corner. And then drag it to make it fit the page. And then right click and duplicate it. And drag it to the side again. Duplicate it again. Now we are going to put different colors on it. And then save this as an image. Click share and then download. And then download again. And then upload it to Canva again by dragging it. And then get rid of this. And then import this image that we just uploaded. And then click edit image. And then go to adjust and see all. And then go to blur and adjust the slider to 100%. And then add a new page. And now click elements and search for frame. And click frame. And for this design we are going to use this one. The first thing we want to do is to put some background colors on it. Let's choose black. And then you want to detach this image from the background. And then drag it to the frame. And now you can get rid of page 1. And let's just download this image. And then we are going to upload it to Canva again. Let's add another page. And import the uploaded photo. And let's get rid of this page. And now let's edit this image again. and then go to adjust, see all. And now we are going to adjust the blur slider again. As you can see, 100% is too much for this design. We don't see the black stripes, so just see if 75 is okay. Yep, 75 looks good. So let's say we want to do some other adjustments. Let's adjust the shadows a little bit. And then we are going to adjust the warm a little bit. You can play around some more with these adjustments, but I think this looks kind of good now. So this is how you make a design with gradient colors in Canva. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.